Hi there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use Google Advanced Search Operators effectively. Imagine you're planning a trip to Europe and want to find the best travel tips. Google's Advanced Search Operators can help you narrow down your results and get exactly what you need. Let's get started. Begin by typing your search term in the Google search bar, for example, Europe travel tips. To find articles that contain the exact phrase Europe travel tips, put quotation marks around the phrase like this. Now let's say you trust information from government websites. To see results only from government sites, type site : followed by the website's domain such as site:/.gov Europe travel tips. I will show you. If you're concerned about budget, you can exclude expensive options. Just add a minus sign before a keyword, for instance, Europe travel tips minus luxury. So perhaps you're looking for travel advice within a specific budget range. Use two periods to specify a range. For example, so if you want to discover related topics, use the tilde symbol before a keyword. And that's it. You've learned how to wield Google's advanced search operators to find tailored results for your Europe travel planning. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use Google's advanced search operators effectively. See you on my next video.